What are you doing, Aiden? What are you building?
A nest.
What for?
The bird.
Okay. You building a birdie's nest?
Yes.
What sort of birds do you want to go there?
Oh, she's up and gone now. One that flies in the sky that I hear their sound.
Yeah, what colour?
Yellow and brown and red and purple and black.
Yeah, we'll get one of those birds. It'll fly in your nest because it's a very good one.
Yeah, but it can fly in the sky into the nest.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, are the birdies going to lay their eggs in it?
The egg. Yes.
What sort of birdie's going to land on your nest?
With colours.
A birdie with colours?
Yes, yellow and purple and black and grey and black and more yellow and purple and red and pink and orange and white. That's all.
Yep.
Yeah.
Look what's... Oh, there's a birdie in your nest. Shh. Yeah, don't distract it.
Nest.
A bird in your nest?
Yeah.
Pretty red bird.
Yes.
Is that a red robin?
Yes.
Wow, it's a pretty bird.
Yes, it's so little. I wanted a little bird. You scared away.
It's only a little one.
Yes.
A little red one.
Yeah. I'll go.
What sort of bird is it in your nest?
A moon.
A moon bird.
Yes, and it's looking like a little baby one.
A little baby bird in your nest.
Yes.
Are they eggs? Are they eggs?
Yes, they look like they're mashed up.
Oh, are they squashed up?
Yeah, look like the bird squashed them up.
You squashed the eggs.
Yeah, he looked like he was sitting in them.
Oh.
I think he liked them mashed up.
He squashed his eggs. They won't hatch then, will they?
No.
Oh.
I might throw them away.
You're going to throw them away?
Yeah, because I look so nice. If I fix it all together, it might be better.
You're putting the eggs into one.
No, I'm fixing it.
You're fixing the eggs.
Yes.
Oh. Were they broken?
Yes. Making it back in.
What is it?
A bird
But what is it? You think it's just a...
toy.
You think it's just a toy?
Yes.
Oh, were you tricked?
Yes. And it doesn't have any wings.
Doesn't?
No.
Oh. Oh, well.
I will.
That's funny, isn't it?
Yeah, but it only has one eye.
Has one eye?
Yes.
No.
But it's okay. It looks okay. I might get him an eye. And do you know how to get these off? You might have to have some scissors too. Will you?
Bye bye.